When it comes to CNC machine programming, BobCAD-CAM provides faster, smarter, and more cost-effective solutions to computer-aided CNC machining. From 2D and 3D CAD design to basic hole machining, high-speed toolpath programming, and more, BobCAD-CAM answers the call to bring you the best in-class toolpath solutions to make CNC programming simple for beginners and advanced enough for experienced CAM operators for 2.5-axis, 3-axis, 4-axis, and complete 5-axis CNC machining. Download and try a free CAD-CAM demo at BobCAD.com today. From all of us here at BobCAD-CAM, Happy Earth Day!